Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala Social Science Grade 7 Geography. Now we have seen about the earth and all the things. Now the changing earth. We are noticing that earth is not same everywhere. Our topic is our changing earth means we are saying that the earth is not equal all the place. Somewhere mountains are there, different many things we are seeing in natural things we are seeing in the earth, rivers are there, lakes are there, waterfalls are there, all the natural things are there. So how the things are changing on the earth, we are going to see the our changing earth. See, change in the earth surface. See, mountains are there, volcanoes are there, mushroom rocks are there, deltas are there, sea ashes are there, sand dunes are there, all the different things are there. Change on the earth's surface is due to the type of forces. See, the lithosphere is broken into number of plates known as lithosphere is plate also. Big change is due to, mainly the change is due to the forces working on the earth. Endogenic force and exogenic force, or endogenous force or exogenous force. These two type of forces are there. Now see the tectonic plate. The earth's crust is cracked. The pieces of earth crust formed by the cracks are called tectonic plates. The earth crust is cracked. Earth crust is cracked, and the pieces of the earth crust formed by the cracks. Because of the cracks, the pieces are formed. These are known as tectonic plates. Okay. The plates are continuously moving. All belt very slowly, all belt very slowly, a few millimeters a year. But these plates are continuously moving but very slowly, and this movement helps to form volcanoes also. Now we are going to see about earthquake. An earthquake is sudden tremor movement of the earth crust which originates naturally at or below the surface. What causes earthquake? Now you know what happens in earthquake. Suddenly the tremor is there and shaking is there, and sudden movement of the earth. What causes earthquakes? Earth sudden movement of tectonic plates. See, in previous we have seen that the tectonic plates are moving and suddenly the movement of tectonic plate is there and that causes the earthquake. The earth's surface is subject to endogenic force occurring from the beneath of the earth's surface. Now, endogenic force means the force works in the surface are called endogenic force. From the interior, endo means interior, the force which act on the earth surface from interior, अंदर से जो earth surface पे जो भी force effect करता है, that is endogenous force. Means the tectonic plates are below the surface of the earth, means अंदर है, नीचे है अर्थ में, तो वहाँ से जो force work करता है, that is endogenous force, endogenous force or endogenic force. Forces occurring from beneath of the earth's surface. Beneath of the earth's surface means नीचे से. This force makes the plate move at very slow speed. However, a sudden movement of tectonic plates trigger an earthquake. Seismometer or seismograph records the earth movement. One instrument is there that is recording the movement of the earth. So earthquake is a affects the movement of the earth. Because of the earthquake also many changes might be there. This is due to the endogenic force. Endogenic force means the force that is affecting or occurring from the beneath of the earth's surface. Now earthquake, it is the point or focus on the earthquake. Okay, see the point of focus is given. Sudden movement occur deep below the crust or mantle causing tectonic plates to move vigorously. मीन्स ज़्यादा फास्ट जोर से टकरा के या ऐसे प्लेट्स मूवमेंट करती है. Concentric shock waves generated from this point determines the extent of damage caused. The focus point is often deep below the surface. It is difficult to map. The focus point from where the earthquake started, that is the deep below in the earth. See, this is the picture of earthquake is also given. What it is given? epicenter. One center is there from where the earthquake starts. The place on the surface about the focus is called epicenter. The place on the surface of the earth above the focus is called the epicenter. See, it is the point on the surface which is directly above the focus. It is commonly used to describe the point of concentration of earthquake. Means from that point the earthquake starts and the waves are going long. The strength and the magnitude of the earthquake is measured on Richter scale. The strength and the magnitude of the earthquake is measured on Richter scale. An earthquake whose measurement is about 7 Richter scale can cause major damages. मीन्स जो भी अर्थक्वेक का मेजरमेंट होता है वो रिक्टर स्केल में काउंट होता है और 7 से ऊपर जब रिक्टर स्केल होता है दैट इज काउंटेड इज द is a heavy earthquake and that damage is a major things. Earthquake are now measured using the movement of magnitude scale. This measures the size of seismic waves during the earthquake. Nowadays the modern technologies are there and new things they are taking out. Now tsunami. When the epicenter of earthquake is in seabed, it causes huge tidal waves which could have devastating effect on seashores. Such phenomena is known as tsunami. See, on the land the epicenter is there. This is simple earthquake, but when the epicenter is inside the seabed and it causes the tidal wave, high waves, and those waves are causing the affecting the devastating the seashores. That this type of phenomena is known as tsunami. See, in tsunami, seabed is here, epicenter is here, plate movement is here, and wave displacement. Like that the waves are going. After that, volcano. Volcano is an opening. Volcano is a vent in the earth, means opening in the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. A volcano is an opening or rupture in a planet surface. Planet surface means earth surface, which allow hot molten rock, ash and gases to escape from below the earth surface. एस्केप फ्रॉम निकल जाना, वो ऐसा पॉइंट होता है, ओपनिंग होता है, वहाँ से हॉट मेल्टन रॉक ऐश गेसेस सब अर्थ की नीचे से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. Volcanoes are most commonly found along the plate boundaries. Volcanoes are most commonly found along the plate boundaries. See, this is the picture of volcano. In this you can see that the crust is there, mantle is there, magma chamber is there, lava is there, vent is there and chamber is there. See, gas and acids are coming and then they are freezing on the earth surface. That is the red is the lava is there. This is the picture of the volcano. Now change on the earth surface, mountain ranges and trenches. Slow mountain movement of lithospheric plate causes change on the earth surface. Collision of plates create mountain system of the earth like Himalaya and huge trenches on the ocean floor. See, many years back, long back, they are saying Himalayas was not there, but because of the collision of plate, movement of plate, the Himalaya mountain was there. Nowadays, we are seeing the Himalaya mountains. Slow movement of lithospheric plate causes change on the earth's surface. Collision means टूटना of the plate creates mountain system of earth like Himalayas and huge trenches of the ocean floor. See, fold mountain. This is the crust and this is also the crust, but in between the plate is there is collision in the plate. Because of there from the between the Himalayas mountain form. Himalaya is a fold mountain. Himalaya is a fold mountain. In further next year and further in this book you can come to know the different type of mountains are there. So like this also Himalaya mountain also form. Now we are saying endogenous form or endogenic force. It occurs beneath the surface of the earth. It causes natural devastation and physical change in the earth's surface like earthquake, volcanoes, formation of mountains or valleys. All such type of things are on the earth because of the endogenous force or endogenic force, and this force is occurs beneath the surface of the earth, means earथ की surface के नीचे अंदर से वो force start होता है. Like this we have seen. Now next time we are going to see the exogenic force, means from the outer surface of the earth which type of forces are there and what other changes are there because of the exogenic forces. These all changes are because of the endogenic force. Thank you.